There's obviously a gentleman outside with concerns around foreign policy and your views on certain world issues. What would you say to him to ease his mind?
I would say to him that we live in a world where there is huge levels of danger and insecurity, brought about by wars, by intervention, by human rights abuses, and by climate change and the environmental disaster many people face. I want to lead a government that's serious about human rights abuses around the world, that won't be selling arms to Saudi Arabia, that will support the continuation of the Iran nuclear deal, and we'll do everything we can to bring about peace in Syria and in Yemen.
And just staying on foreign policy, in 2011, after US Special Forces killed Osama bin Laden, you said it was a tragedy that the al-Qaeda leader was dead, rather than being captured and put on trial. So is the recent death of ISIS leader Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi a tragedy?
If we preach international law and international legal process through the International Court of Justice in The Hague, then we should carry it out. And if it's possible to arrest somebody and put them on trial, then that is what should have been done, and that is what I said about the death in 2011, and it would continue to be my principle. If we believe, as we do, in international law and justice and the power of the International Court of Justice, then we should do everything we can to bring people where they deserve to go on trial to be put on trial, as was Milosevic and others.
I mean, while nobody celebrates the death of another human being, this is a man whose victims were drowned in cages, and some of his victims were British, so is his death not something to be looked at as a good thing?
Him being removed from the scene is a very good thing. If it would have been possible to arrest him, I don't know the details of the circumstances at the time. I've only seen various statements put out by the US about it. Surely that would have been the right thing to do. If we want to live in a world of peace and justice, we should practice it as well.